How to create your own crypto coin within just a few seconds. You might have seen a lot of these meme coins being launched and people are making a ton of money through this. In this video, I will give you the 3 steps in order to create your own crypto coin from scratch along with its website as well. By the end of this video, you will have your own crypto coin with yourself. So the platform that I'm talking about will be down in the description box as well as in the pinned comments. It's called tokenpilot.io. Now this is a platform which not only helps you in creating your Solana meme coins but also have liquidity with it and directly launch it for everyone to buy. The process is so simple that it will just take us 5 minutes and no coding for us to create the coin, deploy it and let everyone buy it and sell it as well. So first and foremost, we need to name our token. So let's name our token as test. The symbol will be TST. Next is we need to upload an image for our coin. So let me just go over to Canva and I'll be using Canva in order to create the image. Click on create a design, select logo and we'll create our own crypto logo. Now I just have 4 minutes to create this entire thing. So let me just add a text which is T. Okay, now I'll just go over to Token Pilot over here and drag in our image. Next, we need to describe the token. Now, decimals basically means how many parts can the token be divided in. If the decimal is just 1, it can only be divided by a factor of 10. So it means the minimum that you can transfer with this token would be 0.1 tokens. So we want to keep the decimals as 9. The total supply would be 1 billion. Let's click next. Over here we have different features that we can add. All of this costs 0.1 Solana, which is currently at around $14. So every Solana token has 3 authorities. We have freeze, mint as well as update. Now what are these 3 things and why you need to make sure that you select all 3 of them? Now the first thing is revoke freeze. This essentially allows the token holder to freeze the token accounts, which we don't want. So we need to revoke that authority. The second one is minting. That essentially allows the token owner to mint as many tokens as they want at a later stage, which again we don't want, and we need to make sure that the community knows about this and can trust the token as well. That's why we need to revoke mint over here as well. And the last one is update authority, lets you edit metadata. So essentially we don't want to edit all of this metadata that we are adding right now. We want to make sure that the community trusts us and knows that we cannot change any of the data of the token at a later stage. All of these 3 things will cost you 0.1 Solana each, which is a total of 0.3 Solana, which I think is fair enough if you want your token to stay for the long term and want the community to invest in it as well. Next is website. So I'll just create a free token website for me. We can add Twitter link, Telegram as well as Discord. Last is modify creator information. If you do not turn this on, that means these details can never be changed further on. It's always better to keep it turned off. Now the only thing left is select wallet. So we need to connect our Phantom wallet or any other wallet of your choice. We have Phantom, we have MetaMask, we also have all of these other wallets over here, but we'll just go with Phantom for now. Okay, so my wallet is already connected. I have around $351 in Solana. Let me just create token. I have 2.5 Solana right now. So when I press create token, it will go through all of these different steps. It will also create my website and I just need to confirm the transaction. Okay, so as you can see, the token has been created successfully. It's 100% complete now. Even on our Phantom balance, you can see that 0.4 Solana has been deducted from our balance. Apart from that, we have the Explorer link, the website, and we have the option to create the liquidity pool. So we'll do all of these 3 steps as well. So first and foremost, let's look at the Explorer. This is where we have actually deployed the token on the Solana blockchain. You can see all the details of our token with 1 billion supply and the decimal set to 9. Next is we can see the website. So the website has also been created. We have the symbol, the address if anyone wants to copy the address, and the test token along with your logo as well. And the last part is creating the pool so that others can trade your tokens. Now the first and the foremost thing is your token address. Just copy this and save it somewhere safely. After that, click on create a pool on Raydium, and you'd have to create a pool for this. So let me just add some Solana. I'll just add 0.4 Solana for this liquidity pool. The core token will be our token address. So that's what I've pasted over here. You just have to copy it from this part to here. You can see that the balance is already updated because I've connected my Phantom wallet as well. I'll just add all the tokens to the liquidity pool. This can depend on your own strategy, but here I'll just add all of them. It takes around 0.2 Solana to create the liquidity pool. So the pool has been created successfully. Got it? And now we can start trading, buying and selling our tokens. Where do you buy and sell? Well, just go over to Swap, and here you can see that I can now buy my token. So let me just add my token here. So I'll put it as TST and the name would be test. Okay, so this is my test token. Let me just add that. So say for example, I'll just buy 0.01 Solana worth of tokens. That's around $1.4. These are the number of test tokens that I'll get. So let me just swap that and confirm the transaction. So there you go. You can even check it on your Phantom balance. You'll have 18 million test tokens. I just bought it for around $2. So that's how you can start trading. You can start buying and selling your tokens. And once there are enough transactions, you will also be able to see a graph starting to form over here. Apart from this, go over to Dex Screener. This is the platform that is mainly used in order to look at all the tokens. So let me just search my token. Here you go. You can see the token as well. You can see the graph. You can see all the transactions. There are some transactions that have already started to happen. These are not my transactions. Some other bots or someone has started to buy it. And there is $141 worth of liquidity as well. So that's the entire process of creating your own Solana meme coin without any coding. You just have to connect your Phantom wallet or MetaMask wallet. And if you want to learn how to transfer Solana to your Phantom wallet, I've made detailed videos for that. So go check those videos out.